Greetings, music makers! I'm Dr. Cayari, and in this video I'm going to teach you the basics about how to play the recorder. We'll first go over how to hold the instrument, then we'll figure out how to make a beautiful noise. Then I'll teach you your first three notes, B, A, and G. After that, we'll use those notes to play our first song, Hot Cross Buns. So without further ado, let's get ready to learn. When you're holding the recorder, you're going to grasp the instrument with both hands. The single hole will go on the back. Your left hand goes on top, your right hand goes on bottom. The reason your right hand goes on bottom is so that your pinky can reach the lowest holes easily. For now, what we're going to do is cover up all the holes, including the one for your thumb, and then rest it on your chin and wait. It'll be at a 45-degree angle down. Now let's make a beautiful noise. Let's practice by making sure that we know how to make slow, warm air come out of our mouths. I want you to put a finger up and pretend that it's a candle. Let the flame just wiggle there for a little bit. What I want you to do is pretend it's a birthday candle and blow it out. Ready? Did you feel how cold that air was? Go ahead, try it again. Now what I want you to do is blow warm, slow air and make the flame dance. That's the type of air we want in our instrument. The next thing to keep in mind is you're going to say toe or two, not whoo. And whenever you're playing a note, you want to make sure that the holes are completely covered. Let's work on our first note. Let's cover up all the holes, and we're going to lift everything up except for our left hand, thumb, and index finger. That's B. It sounds like this. Will you try it with me? Let's try echoing. I'm going to play for 4 beats, then you're going to play for 4 beats. Our next note is A. All we have to do is add the middle finger on the left hand. It sounds like this. Will you try it with me? Go ahead and let's try some echoing. The third note is G, so on the left hand you have thumb, 1, 2, and 3. Sounds like this. Try it with me. Let's do some echoes. If you want more practice with these notes, I'll have some echoing practice exercises available in the description box below. So here's our first song. It only uses 3 pitches, and we have 3 different lengths of notes: quarter notes, half notes, and whole notes. If you need a reminder about note pitches and values, there's a link in the description box below. However, you might recognize that this is hot cross buns. High, 2, mid, 2, low, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to change high, mid, and low into pitches, and you'll see we have B, A, G. Are you ready to try playing along? Let's try it together, nice and slow. 1, 2, ready, go. We're going to try it again, but this time you can do it with some of my Music Under a Minute clones. Get ready. 1, 2, ready, play. B, A, G. Were you able to keep up? If you were, go ahead and fist bump that like button so that I know how many people were able to learn with us. If you need some practice with the song, use the scroller at the bottom of the screen, and then find the timestamp marked practice to play along until you feel comfortable. If you're ready to put yourself into a video and create a musical check-in with my clones, click on the Collaborate link down in the description box. If you're not sure how to collaborate using the Acapella app or need a reminder, there's a link below. After you're done recording, don't forget to come back and share a link of the video you created. But before you go, I encourage you to play along with the notes B, A, and G, and comment below if you can figure out any other songs made up of just those 3 notes. If you're interested in learning our next note, C, click on the Learn video up there. And if you want to collaborate and turn one of my clones into a video of you, click on the Create video down there. And as always, if you want to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any of the resources that I publish, click on my face down below. And until next time, keep on making music.